What's going on, YouTube? We are back with a small update on the S&M build. Today we just received the S&M race frames with 27.2 seat post seat clamp. Yes, sir. That is the seat clamp for the frame. And that is made by S&M, guys. So just another part number 5 that I have purchased. And it's gonna be nice to just, raise the seat, lower the seat. Go to the pump track, you lower the seat. When you're done, you raise it up and you just ride back, you know what I'm saying? So, got a little shield on the back. This is part 5, guys. Yes, sir.